For more than 50 years, Technovorm has successfully combined the best innovations of modern product development and design to bring the real taste of coffee to millions of people worldwide via their Mocha Master coffee brewers. Providing the perfect cup comes from the design of our brewers that meet strict guidelines set forth by the ECBC and SCA Gold Cup brewing standards for the 4 T's. Temperature. Mocha Master's copper boiling element brews between 196 to 205 degrees Fahrenheit and holds the brewed coffee between 175 to 185 degrees Fahrenheit via an independent hot plate element. Time. A full carafe brews in 4 to 6 minutes with the correct saturation time. Turbulence. This brew process creates a perfect coffee bloom and even extraction. And total dissolved solids, or TDS. Solubles between 18% and 22% in every cup. Quality in craftsmanship is also important, which is why every Mocha Master coffee brewer carries a 5-year warranty and is handmade in the heart of the Netherlands using only quality European parts that ensures longevity of your brewer and are cleanable, repairable, recyclable, sustainable, and plastics are BPA, BPS, BPF, and phthalate-free. Mocha Master coffee brewers are timeless in design and will grace your home with elegance that's matched only by its quality.
At Best Reviews, our expert reviewers spend thousands of hours researching, analyzing, and testing products to recommend the best picks for most consumers. We'll present our experts' take on the pros and cons of each product, plus point out our best of the best pick and our best value pick to help you decide which product is right for you.
The first Keurig coffee maker is our best of the best pick. Here are the pros. Uses ground coffee or K-cup pods. Stainless steel 12-cup carafe. Easily accommodates travel mugs. Programmable to pour 6, 8, 10, and 12 ounces servings. Here are the cons. A coffee maker this good was destined to have a high price tag. The Best Reviews bottom line. This tall model's lightning quick brewing time and many programmable options makes the premium Keurig's K-Duo Plus their most adaptable coffee maker to date. We rated this Keurig coffee maker as our best value pick. Here are the pros. Brews coffee quickly and reliably. Large water reservoir. Automatic shut-off after 2 hours. Saves energy. Works with third-party K-cups. Brews multiple sizes of K-cups. Here are the cons. Strictly a single cup maker. The programmable feature simply means you can set the time for the on/off feature. The Best Reviews bottom line. A great single cup machine with simple button controls that offers the features most people want in a Keurig machine. The next Keurig coffee maker is our third top pick. Here are the pros. Brews a cup in under a minute. 5 custom cup sizes available. Large 75 ounces water reservoir. Easy to program. Hot water dispenser. Available in 3 colors. Makes iced drinks too. Here are the cons. Fairly pricey for a single serve Keurig. The Best Reviews bottom line. Between its bold brew, iced beverage, and fast brewing features, Keurig's K-Elite is more advanced than you may expect a single-serve coffee maker to be. We rank this Keurig coffee maker as our 4th top pick. Here are the pros. Use both K-cup pods and ground coffee. Easily brew 1 cup or an entire carafe. Includes heating plate. Strong brew feature brews a more intense single serving. Programmable auto brew feature. Here are the cons. Only available in black. The Best Reviews bottom line. If someone in your household prefers a 12-cup pot of coffee and another just needs a single strong cup, this premium customizable Keurig will keep everyone happy. This Keurig coffee maker is our final top pick. Here are the pros. Streamlined, reliable, and easy to use. It can handle a carafe, too. Has an attractive design. Includes a strength control setting to determine the intensity of your brew. Here are the cons. The 2.0 restriction prevents the use of some third-party K-cups. No timer to automatically brew carafes at a set time. The Best Reviews bottom line. A very good 2.0 machine, but it is missing the temperature control and time feature of its big brothers.
We hope our expert research and testing notes will simplify your purchasing decision and help you decide which product is right for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to visit bestreviews.com for more in-depth product reviews.